So to make this beautiful star garland really simple, I have actually purchased a star kit from the Paper Mill download. I will link them below because you just can't beat these kind of designs. I think they're absolutely stunning for Christmas. And I have also printed onto the back some of her beautiful background papers as well. So when I cut them out, they are double-sided. I will link her below, her shop, and the kits that I've used because I recommend them. Absolutely beautiful. But of course you can use any type of paper, old book paper like this, just take an old book and use the pages from that, or you can purchase pretty papers in most craft shops, but I do recommend these. I think they're gorgeous. So I'm just going to start cutting these out and see how they look. I've just cut around them roughly so it's easier to cut out each one, and I just wanted to show you how they look all together already. Even like this, they look absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to cut some out now. So while I've been cutting these out, I've been listening to some Christmas music. I've put my Christmas tree up this morning. It's still there. It's waiting for the children to come home to decorate it. And I'm just sitting cutting out these lovely stars. They're so pretty. I was just thinking how therapeutic it is to do something simple like cutting. People use colouring in for mindfulness and meditation, and I just think this is a really similar feeling. It's so peaceful. I like the repetitive action. And the papers are just so beautiful. Megan is the designer of these. Megan, if you're listening, you really should get these designs on fabric. Look how beautiful that is. Imagine if that was fabric, it would be fantastic for quilting. I mean, I absolutely love her papers. She's a really good designer. It's just so stunning and so Christmassy. So we have one left. I really like this one as well. These colours are really me. I'm really in the Christmas spirit. I'm feeling super festive. It's cold outside. It may snow this weekend. Fingers crossed, that would be lovely. My children would love that. So there's two sizes of stars in this kit. One on each sheet is a bit bigger, so I've put them in two piles. But look how pretty these are. Aren't they gorgeous? All different, every single one different. And I just love them all. So let's sew them together. So to sew these together, I'm going to do them individually for the smaller size. You need to make sure you have a nice long end of your thread at the back, and I have adjusted the stitches to be as long as they can go because I don't want the stitches to be too close because they'll perforate the paper and I don't want it to fall apart. So long stitches, sorry, not wide. And I'm going to stitch this way, so I have the 2 points and the single point that way. If I try to sew it this way, it might get sucked into the machine. So this way I can keep the paper safe. I'm going to slowly stitch almost to the point. Get my next one ready. And I'm going to leave about a centimetre, half an inch gap, a couple of centimetres, sorry, about half an inch between each one. I'm just going to do it roughly, eyeball it, not worry too much. A little gap between each one and gently pull that one through. Going slow and steady. It's going to look lovely. So I'm going to continue doing that. As you can see, they are attached together with a little space between each one, and then they've got the beautiful designs. Oh, I love them. So I'm going to keep going with that. So this is my last one. I'm going to give a long end. I've misplaced my scissors, bear with me. Okay, so it's got a nice long end on it. Give that a snip. I shall show you how this looks. So as you can see, they are all beautifully strung together. Now I'm going to show you what else you can do with these. Hold on one moment. So the other thing you can do with these is put two or three of these together. I'm going to put 3 together. This only really works if you use paper and not cardboard, because you want to get it through your machine. I'm going to change that back to the long stitches. So with 3 together, I'm going to pop them through. And then the other 3 put together. Okay, pull them out. And let's see how these look. So for this style, now you've got your 3, just fold them in half like this. And turn that one over and fold that one that way. And give them a bit of a fold that way. Some creases in them. And you have a 3D star. Oh, they're lovely. Fold that one in half. I might actually have these as individual baubles. I'm going to snip that at the top there. Fold it in half that way. Fold it in half that way. And open them out. spinning stars. So that's another way of doing them. You could do them in a garland that way, and then you've got a 3D garland. I'll show you the other garland. Here we are. It's really long. You get enough stars to really make a decent sized garland. I absolutely love it. I'll show you it hanging up so you get a better look. But thank you for watching this video. That's my first ever sewing tutorial, so it's a learning curve for me, so I really appreciate it if you've made it to the end of this video. And yeah, come back soon for some more creative ideas. Have a very Merry Christmas, everyone.